Clark Roofing and Construction is a leading roofing contractor based in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, with over 20 years of experience in the construction industry. The company is committed to providing top-quality materials, expert installation, and professional service for projects of all sizes. Their services include roof replacement, skilled craftsmen adept at replacing roofs, ensuring durability and aesthetic appeal. Roof inspection, offering free roof inspections to assess the condition and recommend necessary actions. Local expertise. Deep roots in Sioux Falls provide unparalleled local expertise, with an intimate knowledge of South Dakota's climate and unique challenges. Customer satisfaction. Emphasis on attention to detail and customer satisfaction, ensuring each project meets the highest standards. For more information or to schedule a free roof inspection, visit their website at roofingsiouxfalls.com or contact them at 605-201-2327.